Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Alibaba on basically 9 days ago on January 14th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $167.01. And at this point, my main assumption was that we have a very good breakout out of this fallen bullish wedge. And by the way, I predicted this breakout when the price was at around $150, and we have a very good chance to hit 0.786 fib level at the price point of $207 mark, with the upside potential of about almost 25%. And we have to see first of all the retracement, then we might see the next leg to the upside. And guys, take a look right here. We were somewhere at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset went a little bit higher, then had a retracement. It bounced out of this level of support that was drawn by me previously. Take a look right here. It was the level of $162.62, the same exact level. And we had a very good movement to the upside, which hit this previous swing high. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video, I will show you what news might be the catalyst for this asset for the upcoming weeks. What should we expect from the price point, and what crucial levels does this asset have? And by the way, guys, take a look right here. I also showed you this potential price movement of Alibaba. Wait a second, somewhere here. Here you can see the same exact ticker symbol but on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, and I drew this blueprint of its movements. And guys, take a look right here. This is the same ticker symbol but on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, and take a look how precise my blueprint was. We had and we have basically the same exact movement that I predicted in my previous video. So let's begin with some fundamentals. First of all, let me show you the general sentiment related to Alibaba stock. If you type in Google search bar Baba stock and switch to news tab folder, you will see several recent news. And this news, in my opinion, might be the catalyst for the upcoming weeks. And here it is. We on barchart.com, and this article was published just yesterday, and it's titled Alibaba is prepping for an AI chip IPO. Does that make Baba stock a buy here? And here is the news itself. Chinese internet retail giant Alibaba Group is reportedly planning to list its chip-making arm. Founded in 2019, this business segment T-Head Semiconductor has been developing data center and artificial intelligence chips for IoT products across the full chip design stack. Although the timing of the IPO remains unclear, The company plans to make the entity partly employee-owned before seeking a listing. Based on this news, Alibaba's stock gained 5.1% intraday on January 22nd. And January 22nd was basically this session that happened 2 days ago, and it had a very substantial movement to the upside. It technically hit this level of resistance of previous swing high and had a rejection. What should we expect next? I will show you in a minute, but for now let me show you that we have an update from the analytic firms. Among 39 analysts who made their prediction for the next 12 months, we have an average price of around $200, and we have 2 new filings that was made by DBS and Average Research. One of them slightly reduced its price target from $225 to $215, which is still about 24.11% of upside potential. And the Red Research slightly increased their price target from 172 to 190, with about 9.68% of upside potential. And in general, guys, we have a very good ratings. We don't have any ratings with the sell call to action. We have just 14 buy ratings, 0 hold ratings, and 0 sell ratings. According to TipRanks, the average price target is set at $203 mark. So I have to say that yes, in general, this company might be very promising, and especially if you take a look at the list of their institutional investors, you can see that well, despite all the turbulence in the relationships of the United States of America and China, you can see that the list of institutional investors who want to hold Alibaba stock in their investment portfolios, well, they are stable. This number is stable, and I think that within the next bull cycle, and I believe that it will start basically this year for Alibaba in particular, we might see a substantial improvement in this number, and this will definitely propel the price of Alibaba, and this is how you can benefit out of its movement. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let's do some, well, let's clean this chart a little bit. I don't need this level of resistance, and I have to admit that this price movement has a substantial volume. The breakout itself and the movement to the upside has a substantial volume, which means that this might be the first wave out of 5 waves on the slightly bigger scale to complete this 5th wave. And what should we expect next? Well, it is quite difficult to assume that this was a 1-2 setup. Potentially this was the lowest point, and this was the first wave, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. And if so, guys, we have to see the retracement out of this level, and potentially it might land again at the price point of $162.6. And to make a more clear prediction, I have to pull FIB retracement tool from this bottom to the top and take a look on this confluence range. 0.5 level, the level, well, which is one of the first levels for levels of interest from algorithms, is the same level that I drew previously. Which means the retracement might land somewhere from 0.5 and even to the golden pocket range, to the level in between $157 to $158. And if so, guys, we might see this type of movement. From this top, we might have this type of ABC correction, and the lowest point might be somewhere from 0.5 or maybe even 0.382. all the way down to 0.65 levels. For now, no one can predict these levels, but this range, this green rectangle, might be, let me mark it like this, might be the level of accumulation if we want to catch its next leg to the upside that will potentially land at least at $207 mark, which will be again about on average about 28% of upside potential. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys until next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium impact. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.